About the pharmaceutical majors which reported their numbers. Wockhardt had a very dismal quarter. It's reported a disappointment on all parameters. There is a loss this time around. Ekta's here. Ekta, what went wrong in Q3?
Well, all the operational parameters were weak this quarter for Wockhardt. So, for example, the revenue, like you mentioned, was subdued. It was a decline this quarter. And the reason being that the India business was, in fact, hit on account of demonetization, plus the UK business was hit on account of the pound depreciation. And like you know, that the US business has anyway been suffering because of the import alerts on their plants. And hence, that also was nothing to write home about. We don't have the exact figure, however, for the US business. But nonetheless, the India business was down around 18% on a sequential basis. Now, in terms of the margins as well, the margins actually crunched down to the lowest that we have seen in many quarters for Wockhardt. So slowly, if you look at the margin trajectory, it was in double digits, came down to single digits, and has now come down to just 2% in this quarter. So, for example, they had R&D costs which were much higher at around 10% of sales, which is around 100 odd crores. But overall, there were other parameters which didn't really support in terms of the operational performance this time. So the profit also impacted on account of this. So it was a net loss for the company. The finance costs were higher year on year. The total income was down as well. So overall, it was a dismal performance which really came in for Wockhardt.